bad freaking cat. Dude, bird is inside the house. It flew upstairs. No. He lost his killing teeth, which means everything he brings inside is alive.
Is everything okay in there? You got like something to catch him in?
Yeah, a box. You can use one of the towels underneath the sink, Mom.
You can help me. So we want to drip the...
I'm filming just a
He's
little
a really pretty bird, the poor little guy.
I can't see it in there. No.
Yeah. Hey, pretty bird.
I found this attached to... Very dusty.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Poor bird. Close the door so it doesn't get back in. Got him in that box. Ooh.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bird.
Yeah, that was your lunch. Right?
Bye, bird. Oh, I didn't get a good picture of him, but oh well. Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. I just wanted to pop in here at the end of this video to tell you that I am working on drawing a children's book. Yay! So I'm going to be working on drawing a children's book. I am going to be posting my progress here as it comes. And I'm going to be going over an entire series of how to publish a children's book. If you're interested in that kind of thing, then subscribe. Ooh, hi phone. Hello. Sorry, you're getting the unedited version of me because I don't want to edit the end of this video. So, yes, children's book, how to draw a children's book is coming. You should totally subscribe for that coming in the future. And yeah, thank you so much. And I'll see you later. Okay, bye!